Okay, I have slid, well, I didn't slide it. I just picked it up very carefully. I use these big red cups because it gives me room to lift the cup off of this plate and move it. If I were to use one of the shorter cups, I would not have enough room to grab it and move it and blah, blah. Okay, so here's what we have left in our cup. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna start throwing in some colors. Just a little bit of extra paint. And I will show you why in a moment. We're going to paint one of our glasses just halfway down, like from the bottom till about 3/4 of the way up. Yeah, that was a little gloppy. About 3/4 of the way up on the glass. I would say I sell probably just as many, if not more, of my half painted glasses. It's just personal preference. We got a lot of gold in there, so I'm gonna just add a little bit of the light blue. See, that's thickened up a little bit while it sat here. You just have to watch. The other colors really didn't. Okay, here's one of my glasses. You peel the sticker off, which, as you know, sometimes they'll come off easily, sometimes they won't. Got this peeled off. Get the alcohol. Clean the glass. Okay, now here comes the fun part. You may get a couple little splotches up here, which you'll be able to see after, but that's fine. You can clean them off. All right. What a mess. Watch this. I just dip my glass in and I roll it around. In no special sort of way, just roll it around. And I just let the paint, might not have quite enough in here, but you're going to get the gist of it. All right. Just rolling it around. I'll tell you the other way I do this, and I'll just show you. What a mess. See, what did I tell you? Sometimes I just go like this. I kind of like this better because you don't have to have quite as much paint in the bottom of the plate. Just kind of like throw it on there. You can add more of your favorite colors if you want to. Look at that. Okay. You see how far I went up on the glass? You can go, you can go up as far as you want, but it gives you just this cool little, like wavy sort of top. Okay, I'm glopping paint on here, you guys. This is like so not precise. Give me some gold. I mean, could this be any more kindergarten? But the magic starts to happen. I guess you could be your own, plug-in glass turner. And you just start, see that? And you can twist it and move it around as little or as much as you want. There's a special way that I dry these glasses. And I'll need to do a tutorial or I'll add it to my videos. Because obviously if you turn this glass upside down to dry it, like this, all your paint's gonna run. That's pretty. All your paint's gonna run off. So there's a special way to dry these, and stay tuned and I will tell you all about it. In the meantime, our other glass is here drying nicely and we will see what happens. Oh, this is fun. I'm gonna just keep doing this. see what happens when we get some dry glasses.